This TikTok profile generated 45.8K with just one video through the TikTok Shop affiliate program. How is that even possible? What's more shocking is that the video is entirely created with AI. I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video. As we all know, TikTok has now become a place for making tons of money. There's the creativity program that has been everywhere on the internet for months. However, the program's inconsistency and lack of flexibility make it outdated. Today, I'll show you how to use the latest TikTok Shop affiliate program to make thousands of dollars per month. How did I find out about this? Let's do a little flashback. A couple of weeks ago, I was scrolling through TikTok and this video popped up.
A woman consumed the collagen peptide powder for 30 days. Day 1. Your skin's already soaking it up like a sponge.
As the money-making addict that I am, what stood out to me is that at the end of the video, they were trying to sell this product by referring back to the TikTok shop in the link below the video. I then found out that this 38-second video generated $45,000, and I thought to myself, I can also make these videos. So I put all my skills together and created a similar video from scratch selling the same product. The first thing I did was figure out all the benefits of this skincare product, and then I analyzed the whole video. To recreate this video, I needed 4 things: a script, voiceover, AI images, and editing. There's one more important thing that's needed: a US account or an account that belongs to Germany, the United Kingdom, France, Brazil, Japan, and Korea. If you don't live in these countries, you won't be able to partake in the TikTok Shop program. But don't panic yet, we have a solution here. You can buy accounts belonging to these countries at a bargain price on this site. You will also get instant access to the account without using VPN. Now that we have our account set, let's get back to creating the video. Step 1. As I listed earlier, 4 things are needed to create this video. The first thing we need to get is an eye-catching script. An eye-catching script is divided into 3 sections: hook, storytelling, and call to action. The hook is the most important part where we capture the viewer's attention. For this video, we need to create curiosity in the viewer's attention. We need to create an instant curiosity in the viewer and explain to them what will happen to their skin if they take collagen peptide for a short period. Now, this is the only part we have to do ourselves without the use of AI. We need to create a simple hook that will instantly create curiosity in the viewer. After getting the hook done ourselves, we need to hand over the rest of the necessary things to do to AI. For the storytelling, let's head over to ChatGPT. Once opened, we are going to tell ChatGPT to create a script using this prompt message. Create me a script for a TikTok about collagen peptide powder that helps improve skin hydration and elasticity. To promote the product even more, tell the prompt to explain what will happen day by day to one's skin if one took it for 90 days. In no minute, our script is prepared by the smart-ass site. The next thing to do is to highlight and copy the important part we need, which in this case is the 90 days explanation of what will happen to one's skin if one uses it for 90 days. After that is done, we complete the script with this call to action. Another important thing to note is that each sentence will be divided. The reason for this is, for each sentence, an image will be created. But before creating images, we need to go through the next important step first. Step 2. The next thing to do now is to create the voiceover. To create the voiceover, you have 2 options. You either record your own voice if your voice is as deep and captivating as mine, or you generate the voiceover with AI on 11 Labs. But I'm guessing your voice isn't as captivating as mine. So let's opt for the AI option that will get the job done for us, without us having to clear our throats multiple times just to get the right tone. Open 11 Labs and choose the appropriate voiceover. The first thing to do is to head back to the script, copy it, and paste it into 11 Labs. Once that is done, it's time to find the right voice. Since the product is for women, we will choose a female voice, and then kick the Generate Voice button in the face. After the voice is generated, click the little button down here and move over to the next step. Step 3. It's time to create images, which we will create using the Discord bot, Midjourney. What you want to do is give the bot prompts based on the content of your script. Since we're trying to make viewers buy the skincare product, we have to create images that will sell the product. So enter a prompt like 3D ultra-realistic image of woman not satisfied with her own skin. In no time, the bot has created multiple images to pick from. Upscale the image that portrays the perfect look of a woman not satisfied satisfied with her skin. This looks perfect. Now let's give the bot another prompt, because we need another image to describe the second sentence of our script. Here's a prompt that will provide us with more perfect pictures. Realistic shot of a woman looking at her calendar with the date day 1 and writing it down on paper, holding an elegant pen in hand. We need the images to be cinematic. We don't want just an ordinary image. So let's tell the bot that this is exactly what we need. We also add this sentence to complete our prompt. Sit back and watch as the bot does its thing. We have more images of ourselves. Find the perfect image that depicts the prompt we sent, upscale it, and then download. Keep providing the bot with prompts that suit each sentence of the script, and then download them. We will then put all the images in one folder and move forward to the next step. Step 4. Now that we have all the files put in this folder, we are ready to edit the video on CapCut. You can use any other editing software you're good with though, but for this video, I'll be using CapCut. So to get things started, create a new project and import all the images, videos, and the voiceover in the folder into CapCut. To make the video fast and really engaging, we need to cut the silent parts out of the voiceover. That will erase the pauses that may make viewers get bored of the video. The next thing to do is to insert the images and videos in each cut area so that each image covers one line on the timeline, making the video more engaging. The video is beginning to look good, but it still lacks something that'll retain viewers' attention. So let's add animation. Head over to animation at the right top here and drag it on your entire video. Now that looks more like it. Let's add captions to make the video even more attention-grabbing. To do that, select text, then auto captions, then click on create. Let CapCut do its thing. Split the captions and make them shorter, so it'll give that high-paced vibe that'll keep viewers more hooked. Then change the font to something bold and creative like this, and also increase the text size to make it more legible for the viewers. Now here's the final process. It's time to add the background music. However, you have to make sure the music is not louder than the voiceover, or else it will send viewers running off your video immediately after they start watching, and we don't want that. So increase the voiceover volume and decrease the background music volume until the two are perfectly balanced in their right volumes. With all this done, voila, our video is ready for export. Click on export and make sure to export in 1080p and 60 frames per second settings so you will get the highest quality for your video. Now let's see the magic we've created. But wait, before I show you the video, a quick reminder to join our waitlist for moneyhacks.com, where we offer video editing, script writing, voiceover, and thumbnail services. Don't miss out on the strategies that allowed us to grow quickly. Click the link in the description to sign up now.
This woman took collagen peptide powder for 90 days. Day 1. Start your journey to healthier, glowing skin by incorporating collagen peptide powder into your daily routine. Mix it in water or your favorite beverage. Day 30. Your skin starts absorbing the collagen, promoting hydration and improving elasticity. Say hello to a natural, radiant glow. Day 60. With continued use, collagen production is boosted, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Your skin looks smoother and more youthful. Day 90. It's the home stretch. Your skin is now visibly firmer and more supple. You'll notice a significant improvement in overall texture and tone. Get this collagen from the TikTok shop below. 50% off and with free shipping. Start your rejuvenation.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video and would like to see more money-making videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment box below. See you in the next video.